2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid introduced with 729 HP power and $148,550 price tag. It will be available in the US in the second quarter of 2024. Porsche introduced the 2024 Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid. The new version takes styling cues from the SUV's recent midterm refresh. It also replaces the previous turbo version, despite being the automaker's most powerful Cayenne ever. Under the hood of Porsche's new model, offered with SUV and coupe body options, there is a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine. It produces 591 horsepower and is paired with a 174 horsepower electric motor. Total system output is 729 horsepower and 700 pound-feet of torque. Porsche says the powertrain can accelerate the Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid to 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. It has a top speed of 183 miles per hour. The Cayenne Turbo E-Hybrid has a larger 25.9 kilowatt-hour battery pack that the automaker has mounted under the cargo area. Porsche says the new 11 kilowatt onboard charger with a suitable power source can reduce the battery charge time to under 2.5 hours. Other improvements increase the battery's electric range, but the automaker has yet to disclose these figures. Porsche controls the ride with adaptive air suspension, which is standard on the high-performance SUV. The system's two-chamber, two-valve technology allows compression and rebound adjustability, allowing Porsche to widen the gap between the system's Comfort and Sport Plus settings. Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus is offered as standard with Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control and Rear Axle Steering options. The Turbo E-Hybrid will stand out with its unique front panel with larger air intakes. Porsche paints the wheel arches and lower rear panel in body color. Red brake calipers and two dual tailpipes complete the E-Hybrid's visual refinements. It also features standard HD matrix design LED headlights as standard. Inside, the SUV features a Racetex headliner, a heated GT Sport steering wheel, aluminum door and instrument panel trims, and 18-way adjustable leather sport seats. Comfort seats that can be adjusted in 14 directions are also available. Porsche is also introducing a new 15-watt, air-conditioned wireless charging pad. The SUV gets the same improvements as the rest of the updated 2024 Cayenne lineup, including an updated instrument cluster with a 12.6-inch curved driver display and a 12.3-inch infotainment display. Porsche says the Turbo E-Hybrid is available to order right now. It will begin to reach dealers in the second quarter of 2024. Its price will start at $148,550, includes $1,650 destination fee. The E-Hybrid Coupe is slightly more expensive, starting at $153,050. The entry-level Cayenne continues to use a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine producing 348 horsepower and 368 lb-ft of torque. It's also much cheaper than its Turbo E-Hybrid siblings, starting at $80,850. But the Turbo E-Hybrid is more affordable than the $197,950 Cayenne Coupe Turbo GT with 650 horsepower.